Hi everyone, Rainbow Runner back. We're back at Veterans Park here in Gilbert. So right now, Union Pacific 2679 is outbound heading this way towards Gilbert Road. As you see, the water tower right now is nice and blue colored. There's Gilbert Road's crossing. There's a green signal at Elliott right now, obviously. And Austin should be at the trail. Yeah, so it's right at dusk. But should be able to catch the train just fine. Right about now, the signal should activate. Lots of gun full of cars. That's the end of the train. With the end of the train device situated on there. I get to hear Gilbert's crossing bell still going. The crossing gates are rising now. And we will watch as it finishes passing Elliott Road. Alright. Now Elliott's crossing signals have deactivated. There's still a red signal at the side of the track. It's still bent down by Lindsay at this point. Alright, well I think that'll be it for this episode. Thanks everyone for watching. And I'll be heading out. Bye.